Hello mentor teachers. This is just a brief introduction video to the year in the Waco ISD Succeed Teacher Mentoring Program. My name is Patrick Upmore. I'm the Director of the Office of Professional Development, and this is just to kind of get you guys started with the application process in Assignment 1 and to get you a good solid start to the year. So that being said, I'm going to remove my face from the video, kind of walk you through a few things online, and of course if you have any questions, feel free to contact me by email at any time. So what we're seeing on the screen now is the Waco ISD Succeed classroom. This is where everything will be done inside a Google Classroom for the entire Waco ISD Succeed program. That includes all of your assignments, all of the observation submissions, all of the discussion boards are all completed on this Google Classroom platform. So this is the most important piece, is that you get access to the platform as quickly as possible. So to do that, once you've been identified as a campus mentor or as a new teacher on your campus mentor coordinator should be submitting those pairings to the Office of Professional Development. If not, as a mentor or new teacher, you can go in and register yourself in Google Classroom. The first thing is you have to make sure that you're on your Waco ISD account. So if you hover over the top right of your screen where you have your Google login complete, what you should see when you go over that icon is your personal icon. That icon should show that you're on your Waco ISD account. If you're on a personal Google account, you'll need to log out and then log back into your Waco ISD account to access Classroom. To get to the Google Classroom, all you do is you're going to use a classroom code to join a class. The code itself, if you see right here in this top left-hand corner, it says 7SX2ELG. That's the class code for the Waco ISD Succeed Classroom for the 2017-18 school year. To join a classroom, if you go to Google and just type in Google and Classroom, you'll go to Google Classroom and you should see the ability to add or join a class. When you click this, it's going to ask for that class code, and again, the class code is 7SX2ELG. You'll place that into the class code and click join, and then you'll see that you have access to the Waco ISD Succeed Classroom. And again, inside the classroom, you can see we have a listing of all of our assignments. So you can see right now the only assignments showing are assignment 2 for new teachers, assignment 2 for mentor teachers. We have the mentor teacher application, which is very important. This is what really enrolls you in the program and gets you started as far as the documentation of the assignments. So we have to make sure that the mentor application is completed first. And then we also show assignment 1. This is a fun assignment for getting to know you, to provide some information from you, from your new teacher. And it's a great opportunity for you guys to interact and get to know each other more on a personal level, to start building that relationship and rapport as you're going to get ready to move throughout this school year together. Each one of these assignments in Google Classroom is linked. All you have to do to complete the assignment is click on that link, and then you can see here you're able to go in and submit your responses. Again, you have to be in your Waco ISD Google account. You cannot be on a personal Google account or personal Gmail account and access the Waco ISD platform. So the first thing for mentor teachers is that you need to submit the mentor teacher application. That application you can find at this shortened link here, https://goo.gl/x67A6. The mentor teacher application, again, is what really enrolls you in the program. Now, the application itself does not guarantee you a spot as a mentor teacher. It is up to your campus administrator to place you in a pairing with a new teacher to serve as a mentor for the 2017-18 school year. As a mentor teacher that's been identified by the campus coordinator, you are eligible for a stipend of $500 for serving a first-year teacher. You can see that stipend is only paid if all requirements of and duties are fulfilled, as in all assignments and face-to-face meetings or online sessions are attended. It is your responsibility to ensure that those pieces are completed and that they're completed in a timely manner. Assignments submitted late in the year will be either prorated based on the length of time that they are late, or if they're well past due, they'll actually will not receive compensation for the completion of those assignments. You have to complete these two statements prior to submitting your application to show that you understand and agree to those terms. Once you have the application in, it's actually going to kick you into a worksheet that you can see in the Google Classroom. In the classroom, there's a worksheet that will trail you throughout the entire year called the assignment overviews. You can see once you submit your application, it's actually going to add you to this list. And then for the rest of the year, you can see it's going to keep up with the assignments you have completed and then the ones you have not. So at this time, here are my submissions on the mentor teacher application. And then this spreadsheet will compile itself over the course of the year, and this will help us to calculate your percent complete for yourself along with your new teacher, and that also in turn helps determine the compensation that occurs at the end of the year. New teachers can also track their assignments here as well. New teachers will be enrolled in this once they complete assignment 1. Again, assignment 1 is for both new teachers and mentors, and it is basically a getting to know you exercise. You can see here your ID, campus, new or mentor teacher, and then as you move through, it's a survey of questions that are not intended to be time intensive. You just answer those as quickly as possible, just first thing that comes to mind. But once the new teachers complete assignment 1, they'll actually be added into the spreadsheet and track their assignment. So you can actually go on there as a mentor teacher and see what your new teacher has completed or what's not yet been submitted. So that's really the overall platform for what you'll be working with. The key is we really need to help identify our mentors and new teachers as quickly as possible. Assignment 1, again, is just that getting to know you assignment, but assignment 2 is dealing with kind of a reflection of the first days of schools. Going back, looking at those procedures and expectations, and are the pieces in place as we viewed they would be at the start of the year. As a mentor teacher, it's to help guide that new teacher and refine those processes and procedures as they've had a few days under their belt to figure out if those things are working in the classroom. You want to, again, ensure that they have a successful start to the year and they set those expectations early. So you can see assignment 2, there's one specific to new teacher, and then there's one specific to assignment 2 as mentor teacher. You can separate those assignments out in a quick view if you want as well by going to topics in the left-hand side and select mentor teacher. It shows you only the mentor assignments, and you can select new teacher and it shows you the new teacher assignments. You can see assignment 1 didn't show up in one or the other because it's actually selected for both. So it's only on the main page where you see assignment 1. If you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, feel free. You can always contact me. My email address, patrick.upmore@wacoisd.org. Email me anytime, or you can contact the main office and just ask to be passed on to the Office of Professional Development, and myself or Vivian Watley will be happy to help and assist in any way we can. Again, welcome to the Waco ISD Succeed Mentoring Program. We look forward to having a successful year in servicing our new teachers and the students of Waco ISD.